Hello, this is an abbreviated companion video to the Quick Guide Viewer software outline of tabs and icons. Outline Guide, Multiplanar Views. Multiplanar Views, Axial, Sagittal, Coronal. Basic Toolbar. Toolbar location, crossbars, grab anchor points. Grab crossbars and move. Press, hold Alt key, left click, release. Grab, tilt anchor, align. Toolbar tabs and functions. Slicing, left click the mouse or left. Window level, left click mouse. Zoom, left click mouse or middle wheel of mouse. Pan, left click mouse or right click mouse. Rotate, left click 3D, left click slice for CT. Rotate default tab. Single or larger screen. Quickly double left click, single screen enlargement or back to 4:1. Reset image positionings using red arrow. Curve red arrow reset tab. Pixel value density, Hounsfield. Pixel value density tab. Ray sum must be deselected. Click again to uncheck. Measurement ruler icon and toolbar functions. Ruler icon, measurements, distance. Right click, delete. Line segment measures around a curve. Angle. Rectangle. Ellipse. Polygon, freehand trace. Profile density. 3D cube. Delete. Exit toolbar function. Dataset detail icons. Information tab. Toggle on, off. Patient. Removal name. Toggle on, off. Orientation box. Toggle on, off. Crossbar. On, off. Color bar. On, off. Only works with color template box. Save scene to patient list. 3D templates. 3D templates. Standard. Other. Rotation box. Rotation box. Quick orientation box. Continuous rotation box. Click continue to stop. Reset. Anterior. Posterior. H for head or superior. F for foot or inferior. Right. Left. Reset. Anterior default setting. Window level, contrast brightness presets. Window level, contrast brightness. Preset, default 1, tooth 2, bone, soft. Window scroll. End of part 1. Please see part 2 video. Thank you for watching part 1 of this video.